Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show how to create AI images in Leonardo AI full tutorial. Let's get started first. Open your web browser and go to Leonardo AI. Sign in to your account, or create a new account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Leonardo AI dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the image generation option. Click on it to open the AI image generator. This is where you can describe exactly what you want Leonardo AI to create. Now, let's create our first image. In the prompt box, type a detailed description of the image you want. For example, I'll type, "A futuristic city at night, glowing neon buildings, flying cars, cinematic lighting, highly detailed, realistic, 4K." The more specific your prompt is, the easier it is for the AI to understand what you want. You can describe the subject, environment, lighting, colors, camera angle, style, and level of detail. Before generating the image, you can adjust different settings depending on the options available in your Leonardo AI interface. You may be able to choose things like the image dimensions, aspect ratio, model, and number of images. For a YouTube thumbnail, for example, you can choose a landscape format. For Instagram posts or portraits, you can use a vertical format. Choose the settings that match the type of image you're creating. Once everything looks good, click the Generate button. Leonardo AI will now process your prompt and create the image. After a few moments, you'll see the generated results. If you don't like the first result, don't worry. Simply modify your prompt and generate another image. If you find an image you like, you can use Leonardo AI's available editing or enhancement tools to improve it. Depending on the current interface and features available, you may be able to make changes, upscale the image, or create variations. For example, you could make the image more realistic, change the composition, or generate a similar version. Once you're happy with the final result, open the image and look for the download option. Click Download and save the image to your computer. You've successfully created an AI-generated image using Leonardo AI. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.